Did you know that the secret in transforming your struggling business into a thriving powerhouse literally lies in how you build your marketing website or sales and landing pages? What if I told you that mastering the art of effective website creation is a game changer that your business needs? Today, we are going to be diving deep into the world of marketing website and landing pages to uncover the secret that could 100x your profit in the shortest possible time. Now, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your existing website, this video is packed with all you need in order for you to start building your 100x profitable marketing website or landing pages. In a moment, I'm going to be walking you through 6 essential steps that you need in order to create a stunning website, and your visitors will love you for that. But first, let us address a critical issue that a lot of business owners never put in mind. And this is the cause of over 97% of business website failures. Here are the common problems with business websites. Why 97% of them fail. Don't make these mistakes. Of course, that's why you are watching this particular video. Now, the mistake number 1 you don't want to make when it comes to creating your own business website or landing pages is lack of optimization. Guys, I see a lot of business owners and website creators, they just go take a particular template and they start creating their website with it. They don't care if that particular template matches with their goal and with their messages. They just start using it. This is going to cripple your business. So in case you are hiring somebody to work on your website, do not allow them just go get a template and just put your business information. Not all templates are designed to fit in with your own business goals and objectives. So always optimize the template in order for it to align with your business objective and goals. Mistake number 2 is ineffective marketing language. You will see a lot of websites, people just go and carry industry-specific language and terms that we call jargons. They just put on the website. Visitors don't even understand what it means. There is no clear message on what the website is about, what is the problem that you're solving, and how you're solving it, right? So you must make sure your messaging is clear on your website. A lot of business owners get to do this wrongly. They just put in everything that they think is okay for their website, and straight ahead, they put the website up there, and they're expecting to make a lot of sales or conversion. That is never going to happen. Mistake number 3 is the fact that a lot of business websites have missing compelling offers, right? The purpose of a client or a visitor visiting your website is to find a solution. Your offer must articulate that particular solution. This so that you can connect and establish a relationship between you and visitors. When they go to your website, they see that what you're offering matches with the problem that they have, and you articulate how you're going to solve that particular problem. That is how business can thrive when it comes to creating a business website. But I see a lot of business fail to make this happen. So instead, what business owners do is that, or website or business website that I see that usually fail after some time, is that they create a very beautiful website. And do you know that a lot of people think that beautiful website is the same thing as a website that converts? So as a result of that, they ignore optimization and they don't use compelling marketing communication. They don't use the right messages, and also they don't even present their offer properly. As long as the website is beautiful, that is all that matters to a lot of business that fails. But for you, here is what you should do step by step in order for you to build a compelling business and marketing website that will 100x your revenue and profit. Let's get into it, one step at a time. Step 1 is find a proven structure. Guys, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Do not go start to create a website from scratch trying to form that you know better than people who are already making money with their own website or landing pages. Don't reinvent the wheel. Go and look for a proven structure. And here is how you do that. So think about websites that are successful and sell products similar to your own product, right? Now, when it comes to this, what we are looking for is a website that has high sales, simple design, easy navigation, and mobile friendliness. And in order to do this, there is a tool that I've been using for over a decade now, and this tool is called SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb will help give you all the intel you need to know about website that is converting very well, that is user friendly. SimilarWeb will help give you all the statistics, so you don't even need to do it yourself. So that's step number 1. Go get a proven structure. Use SimilarWeb, use other tools like Rush, or use Ahrefs. These tools are very, very good tools when it comes to doing this type of research. Step number 2. The next thing you will do after the first step is go and gather design inspiration, right? The kind of design that resonates with your audience, with your ideal audience. Go and get these particular designs so that you can have what to use in building your own website. Don't just use anyhow design. You need to make sure that the design you have is the kind of design that resonates with the audience that you are planning to target. Also use some tools. I will show you some of the tools that I use when it comes to design inspiration, right? I will look for designs of similar websites with similar demography and interest to the kind of audience that I'm creating my products for, and I will use similar designs. How do you get these particular designs? The best place to go to get this kind of inspiration is Pinterest. Head on to Pinterest, you will see beautiful design inspiration that resonates with the kind of audience that you are serving. Also, you can use websites like Dribbble or Behance. These tools are very good when it comes to design inspiration for your website. Step number 3. Now, when it comes to step number 3, you need to know that whenever you use industry specific terms, your visitors are always confused about what it means. So step number 3 is for you to get your headline straight. Go and look for the perfect headline that speaks the language that your audience can understand, that speak the language that your audience can resonate with and also relate to it. How do you get this done? If you are used to your business or you're used to the service you provide and you already done your research, you'll be able to craft a headline that resonates with them. Or if you are looking for headline ideas, go and use tools like CoSchedule Headline Analyzer. This is an online tool that helps to evaluate effectiveness of your headline, offering suggestions for improvement. Also, you can use tools like Advanced Marketing Institute's Headline Analyzer. This is a similar tool to CoSchedule. It provides insight into the emotional marketing value of your headline. Remember, when creating your headline, your first impression matters, and at the same time, less is more. Step number 4 is clarify your call to action. You see, call to action at a point, like I always say, there will always be a time when you will make the ask. There will always be a time when you tell your visitors or people interested in your product what to do. Call to action is how you get that done. So define your call to action, make it bold, make it visible, make it clear, and make it decisive. Let them know what you want them to do. Instruct them directly. Tell them go and buy, or tell them buy now or apply now, whatever thing, but make it very bold, visible, and let it be straight to the point. Don't be using sentence when it comes to call to action. Call to action cannot be sentences or a paragraph. Call to action can just be a word or two. Buy now, sign up, book now, right? That is how you create your call to action. Then, when it comes to creating your call to action, there are tools you can use to create a compelling call to action that are very appealing. The first option when it comes to this for me is using Canva. So I use Canva a lot to create appealing designs, and it's very simple. It's not like Photoshop and other tools that you need to be a creative graphic designer to be able to do that. So just head on to Canva, use Canva. You will see a lot of templates. Even in the free version of Canva, we allow you to create a compelling call to action that is appealing, that people can clearly see what you want them to do, and they will go ahead and do that. If you're an advanced graphic designer, you can make use of Photoshop and other tools for designing your call to actions on your website. If you have some graphic design skill, you can use tools like Figma for call to action or Adobe XD to create a compelling and a beautiful call to action that your customer will like and they will want to click it. Now, step number 5 is very crucial. It's at this step that you bring all your ideas to life. You see, it is very important after putting all this in together, from your messages to what you want your client to do, all the steps from step 1 to number 4. At the step number 5 is where you bring your ideas to life. So step number 5 is create a mock-up website. You can do this on a sheet of paper. You understand? Just design how you want everything to be. This is my headline. This is my call to action. This is what I want to use for call to action. You can do that, or you can use a mock-up tool to be able to do the actual mock-up design of how your website should look like. This is very, very important. For instance, if you are not a website developer, you can be able to carry your mock-up designs and send it to the website developer, and he will just develop your idea and bring them to life. But if you are the one designing yourself, it's simple. You already have your mock-up design. You just go straight to work and start to develop your website. So remember, when you're creating a mock-up design, this is like a blueprint to what your design should look like. This is not the design. The mock-up is not the design, but it's a blueprint of how and the roadmap to what the actual design is going to look like and feel like. Now that you have all the steps from step 1 to step 5, from you having your design, mock-up, inspiration, knowing what to use, having your call to actions, and now you have your mock-up design, you are ready to create your website. What tool are you going to use? How are you going to go about this? I have my best recommendation when it comes to building the actual website. But before I talk about that, I just want to let you know that in this video, I'm not going to ask you to like this video or to subscribe to my channel. I believe if you are finding value from my content, you should already know what to do. Alright guys, thank you very much for liking and subscribing. God bless you. Let's move to the next section of this video. Talking about building your website. Now I'm going to show you tools, my top recommended tools that you can use to a highly profitable website. Let's go into every one of them and I'll tell you why I'm recommending this particular tool. Depend on what you're going to be using this website for. If you are having a creative agency or you are having a digital product, it will vary with the kind of website you're going to be building and the kind of tools you're going to be using for that. So my first recommendation is going to be WordPress. Now, WordPress is a wonderful tool if you're about to build a business website or a general blogging website. WordPress is your go-to anytime, any day, and it's also beginner friendly and it's a free tool. You don't need to pay for it. So WordPress is the number one tool I'm going to recommend when it comes to building your own website. The second website is Wix. Wix is known for its easy drag and drop interface. Wix is great for beginners looking to build stylish website quickly. If you are looking for a stylish website and you want to do it as fast as possible, then go with Wix. The next on my list is Squarespace. Squarespace offers elegant templates and intuitive user interface, making it favorite for creative and small businesses. If you are looking forward to building an e-commerce website, then your go-to is Shopify. Shopify is the best when it comes to building an e-commerce platform or an e-commerce website or a landing page, because you have almost everything you need in order for you to host your product, to sell your product, and to collect the cash for your product. E-commerce platform or e-commerce service base, whatever thing you're doing that has to do with e-commerce, Shopify is your best bet and your go-to tool for that. The next on my list is Lead Pages, a fantastic, great tool. I've used it for quite some time and I love the tool. Lead Pages specializes in landing pages and lead generation tool. If you are looking forward to creating a marketing campaign and your focus is high conversion, then Lead Pages is the best when it comes to that. The next on my list is the almighty Sales Funnel. Sales Funnel is the champion when it comes to creating a high converting sales funnel. The major benefit of Sales Funnel is its simplicity and also helping users and visitors, guiding them all through the sales processes from when they first see your product till when they are going to buy and become your client. This tool is very good for guiding prospects, turning them into buying clients. If you have any online products, digital products, Sales Funnel is very good at converting people into buyers. Then the last on my list is Systemi.io. This is an all-in-one tool. Email marketing, sales funnels, course creation, digital products, storefront, all in one. This is what I currently use and advise you if you're a beginner, this is what you should go for. And it's also free to use. Unlike ClickFunnels that is paid and Lead Pages, this is free to use. I advise everyone that's a beginner to start with this. If you're not going towards the WordPress route, then go towards the paid version, which is Systemi.io, that starts with a free version first before, if you want to expand and you are growing, then you cannot go to the paid version of it. The key takeaway here for you to remember is that simplicity and customer-centric design leads to better engagement. Then the second thing also you need to take out of this video, your message should be clear, avoid technical jargons, and make sure that all you talk about is about the benefits that the customers get from your service or offer. Last but not the least, when it comes to creating an effective marketing website or a landing page, is for you to remember that every element on your website should aim at engagement and prompt action. Now, once you have your marketing website ready or your landing page ready, the next thing you should be looking forward to do is to start building your own tribe or your own audience. Now, I can tell you for free that the best way to build your audience or your tribe is by building an email list. An email list is one of the most important aspects of creating an engagement that leads to sales and high conversion. That is why the next video on this particular series is building an effective email list. Now, an email list is one of the most important components when it comes to building your marketing funnel. Click here to watch the video where I walk you through every step you need in order to build an effective email list, one step at a time. Salute. See you in the next video.